Basin Precision Machining does exactly what the title says. We're a precision machine shop. Our key customers are Harley-Davidson Motor Company. We're one of their larger suppliers. Hydroforce in Lincolnshire, Illinois, which is one of the largest cartridge valve manufacturers in the world, and they have hydraulic systems on agricultural equipment, construction equipment, military equipment, you name it, they've got hydraulic systems on it. And then finally, Frank Henry Equipment, or FHE, and they make safety devices and pressure control for the oil field. The main reason we purchased ZEISS systems is we're in really tight tolerance work and high complexity work, so there's a lot of things that need to be inspected. Conventional inspection methods limit the amount of inspection you can do because they're time consuming and controlled by man. ZEISS CMMs take that guesswork, take that variability out of the equation. We have 7 ZEISS machines right now, with 1 more on the way. We have a fleet of DuraMaxes that are deployed out on the floor. We have an older GaugeMax, which is also deployed out on the floor so that the people on the floor can have instant access to quality data. We have 2 CONTURAs and recently added a 2-meter CONTURA with an indexing vast head. We find that putting a DuraMax in a production cell is probably the best way to check a part, and it's not that much more expensive than conventional hand gauging when you get down to the total cost. We love the reliability of the machines. The machines run non-stop here, and they never really break. And the rare occasion that we break one, and often we're the ones that break it, the service has been excellent. The other thing is I can't say enough about CALYPSO. I've been programming CMMs for a very long time, and I've used every software out there, and this is easily the most versatile, easy to use software that there is on the market. We purchased PiWeb software because we're very data driven. PiWeb really gives you an opportunity to manipulate that data in a way that you can get meaningful results. Our philosophy of done-in-one and single-piece flow and automated inspection and automated material handling allows each of our workers to make more revenue per person. And what that means is that their cost to us is a much smaller part of the part cost, which allows us to pay more, which allows us to provide better benefits, which allows us to attract the best workforce we can attract. And these tools make their jobs not only easier, but better. The ability for them to accomplish as much productivity as they can enables them to have a better career. The reason that we continue to grow with ZEISS are primarily ease of use. I've programmed in other languages, multiple other languages, and CALYPSO is hands down the most user-friendly and powerful programming software for a CMM that I've ever used.